Hey, so this is a follow-up to the KBO Ranger cargo bike video that I put out a few weeks ago. KBO was nice enough to send over a rear rack with a delivery bag. And the delivery bag has a liner in it for hot and cold food. So of course, this bike would be great for a delivery service type of thing. Could deliver food, you could take it camping, take it to the park. There's a whole lot of supplies with this. Maybe even in the medical field, I don't know about that, but hey, you guys tell me, put something down in the comments. How would you use this bike if you had it? Don't forget to check out my links down below for the full review of this bike and unboxing. I have 2 more videos on this bike that are down below, so check that out too. Okay, to install this basket, we're going to remove this board. There are 4 screws here that are going to come out. I'm going to use a 4mm hex wrench to take them out. I might need to hold the nut that's on the bottom with this 8mm wrench. So let's remove this board and then place the basket back on, drop the screws back in, and tighten it all back up. Okay, once you have that board off, just match up the 2 holes here with the 2 in the back and the 2 near the front. And this lower side is forward. Drop the screws back in, tighten everything back up. And that's it for the basket. Okay, so this bag didn't come with any instructions, so I'm gonna try to put it together the best I can. Hey, look at that. Inside's got insulation, or that foil lining, it looks like, to keep things hot and cold. Okay, some parts. I'm kind of assuming that this piece right here, we need to just kind of flatten down at the base. Okay, let's move this out of the way for a minute. Let's go over these parts. So it's looking to me like these look like some kind of connector. These are rods of some sort. By the looks of this, I'm going to assume, okay, so yeah, so we'll say this is the right side of that box, that bag. This is the shorter side here because it's rectangular. And I'll put another end right here. Yeah. Okay, so that seems about right. We're going to find out. Let's try putting this inside of the bag now. Now what I'm wondering is this base part, can it fit inside and then down? Yeah, it can. Okay, so we're going to do it like that. So we'll put this piece in now. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So the side here, I just noticed, also has Velcro straps. So you can take this and lay it right across there.
on both sides. So, and of course this part will seal up right here. And look, if you need, you can lock it up. So there's your little loop for lock. So that's pretty nice. And it has a flap here. This plastic, it looks like, I guess you could put your orders if you're making deliveries or something, you could put that in there. So, all right, let's put this on the bike and see how that goes. Okay, once you have the bag put together, just simply slide it down into the rack, feed the cables, the ties down through the frame, back up, and pull down, tighten it up, and you're all done. You do the same thing on the other side of the bike. So do that on both sides, and you're all set to go. So if you use this for deliveries, you can have this handle right here and just grab the whole bag, release the straps, and walk away with it. Or if you want to leave it on, you could just leave it all strapped up. Remove this part here, open the flaps, and if you have a lock on it, maybe remove the lock, open it up, and get what you need out of it. See, I got some watermelon, I got some stew or something in there. I've got a roll of paper towels, some soda, and a few pizzas in here. So, and there was actually a lot more room for a lot more stuff. So this would be a really good add-on to this bike if you use it for deliveries, or you want to take it to the beach, somewhere where you're going to need some supplies or something. This will be a great addition to this bike. Hey, if you're interested in a good cargo bike, this could be the bike for you. Check out the affiliate links down below. It doesn't cost you anything extra to use it. Helps the channel out a lot. Subscribe for future videos. Like the video, share the video. All that helps me out a lot. Go grab yourself one, get out there and ride, and I'll see you on the next one.